Welcome to the virtual tour of number 1 at 28 Walsh Street in South Yarra. Located in a quiet South Yarra street is this beautiful renovated 3-bedroom townhouse with double lock-up garage. The property has a security entry gate and a camera doorbell, and as you head towards the front door there is a front courtyard with very low maintenance. As we come in through the front door, we've got a linen press or extra cupboards near the front door and our stairs to go upwards. Before we head into the living space, downstairs we've got a powder room, toilet and the laundry. And the laundry has a small courtyard with a clothesline. Downstairs on our right hand side we have our living area. The blinds have transparent blinds as well as block-out blinds. Just off the living area, there is the kitchen. Plenty of overhead cupboards, transparent and block-out blinds, double sink, electric cooking, dishwasher, glass splashbacks, and all cupboards and drawers have hydronic push out. The double lock-up garage has internal access directly into the property. It's a double lock-up garage with remote control. As we enter upstairs, there is an alarm system connected to the property. And upstairs contains 3 bedrooms, a small external balcony, and 2 bathrooms. The upstairs landing area also has wall-to-wall cupboards. The bedroom closest to the staircase transparent and block-out blinds, large wardrobe, shelving and hanging space. And extra shelving on this side. This bedroom faces Walsh Street. Further down the upstairs passageway, there is another bedroom. This bedroom would have to be the largest out of the three. Also faces Walsh Street. This bedroom contains walk-in wardrobe, as well as an ensuite bathroom with a double-sized shower, skylight. As we arrive to the end of the upstairs passageway, we have a separate door that takes us through to the final bedroom with the bathroom as well. So this bedroom is probably the smallest out of the three. Still has wall and floor-to-ceiling wardrobes. Also faces Walsh Street. Blockout and transparent blinds. And still double shelving wardrobe space. And extra cupboards and shelves. Just located right near the final bedroom is another bathroom with a bath over the shower arrangement. It is a full-length bath. And vanity.